What's up, everybody? Hope all y'all having a good day. It's your man Dre World back here with another video. See by the title and the thumbnail, we are going to be getting the Stang dyno today. Yes, it is finally dyno day. I got a 20-minute drive to the spot. I don't know what this car is gonna make. For the ones who don't know, I have a Pmsss intake, stainless works long tube headers, with an xpipe, stock active exhaust, tuned on flex fuel E85, and this is a 2019 GT. For the ones who don't know, I blew up my last engine, bro. This car has been different ever since it came out the shop, like, especially with the E85, like, it doesn't feel like the same car. In a matter of 3 months, we transformed this joint, bro. From the street areo kit, to the Wayne, to the car blowing up, hearing noises and not stop driving. I'll give it some oil. I felt like that Spider-Man meme. Like, where is Spider-Man when my car was down?
The entire world seems to be asking the same question. Where is Spider-Man?
Bruh, I was so down bad because, like, this is my daily driver. If you don't have money to just throw away, bruh, do not daily drive E85 unless you truly, like, using it for something. You know what I'm saying? Right now, I'm getting, like, 8 gallons to the tank. 8 gallons a mile, like 10 gallons a mile. Like, it's really crazy, bruh. I hope y'all enjoy this video right here. We pulled up to the shop. You got 06 right here. Stang over there. I'm starring it and driving it. I'm sorry, y'all. Test number 1, we made 443. We're gonna let it cool off for 15 minutes and let's see what it makes. But first, like this video. And just like that, we done, baby. Here's the graph right here. You see it. We are making, on a hot humidity day, it's like 80 degrees, highly humid outside, 453. Max torque of 415. I'm happy with these numbers, man. Oh my God. That shit is stupid. Shit, Camaro wants some smoke. Camaro wants some smoke. I'm really in the low gear. I'm really cruising. Pretty lucky. I gotta get over. Camaro don't look like he don't want no smoke. Bro, this joint does not slide. Oh my God. Right. All right, that nigga look like a cop on God. That nigga weird. I'm over here editing, bro, and I forgot to do an outro, bro. So look, here's the dyno graph right here. Final numbers of the NA 10-speed Mustang, bro. We are making 453 wheel horsepower. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like this video. Go ahead and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Here's the little setup. Go ahead and do those two things and comment down below. Comment down below your favorite car. All right, man, your man, Dre World. And I'm out.